Hey friends, welcome back to Jill of All Trades. Hope this finds you in the best of health and spirits. Today I'm going to do mutter mushroom or peace mushroom. I discovered this recipe quite recently and ever since it's been a regular in my home. I've taken about 400 grams of mushroom, onion paste made of 3 large onions, tomato puree made of 2 large tomatoes. Mushrooms have been washed and quartered. Ginger, garlic, chili. Peas, green peas about 3 handfuls. I've also soaked some cashew nuts in water to make it into a paste later on. My first step is heating some butter and frying the mushrooms in it. You can saute the mushrooms till water starts coming from the mushrooms. You don't have to do it for a very long time because the mushrooms shrink on sauteing, so the quantity may reduce. The buttery mushrooms are sorted and kept aside. Next, I'm going to do all the cooking in a pressure cooker so that I won't have a lot of dishes to wash later on. I'm adding some neutral oil and let me add the ginger, garlic, and chilies. Saute for a while till the aroma of ginger comes out. Add the onion paste. These onions have already been sorted once and then ground into a paste. If you are using raw onions, you may have to sort for a longer period of time till the raw smell goes away. Okay, sort the onion paste till it's done. Next, I'm going to add the tomato puree until the raw smell of tomatoes go away. Keep stirring. This is a very simple recipe with very little ingredients and it tastes really good. So if you have all the ingredients with you, you must definitely try it out. Just make sure that the quality of button mushrooms is good. I've added some chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. I had added the salt to the buttered mushroom, so I'm not adding it at this stage. Next, I'm going to add the mushrooms into the pressure cooker. And finally, the green peas as well. I've taken fresh green peas, that's why the color is so dark green. You can also use frozen or the dried green peas, but then you may have to boil it first and then add it. Adding little water, maybe about half a glass or 1 glass, depending on the consistency you wish, and finally some garam masala powder. Adding some chopped coriander leaves and some kasuri methi at this stage before putting the pressure cooker lid on. Finally, boiling it for 1 whistle. Meanwhile, my cashew paste is ready. I'll add it once I open the pressure cooker lid. Cashew paste gives a good creamy and thick consistency to the mushroom peas curry. You can serve it with roti, bread, or even any kind of rice, flavored rice. See, adding it, the color changes on stirring. So I checked the salt level is less, so I added some salt. It's ready for serving. Again, garnishing with some chopped coriander leaves. Voila! It's done! Slurp, 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 slurp. Thank you guys for watching this video.